Imposing, grand, a testament to the Industrial Revolution, the Northlight Brierfield Mill stands as a beacon of the past. With its roots stretching back to the year of 1832, this colossal structure near Nelson is more than just a building. It's a piece of history, a symbol of an era when cotton was king and mills like Northlight Brierfield were the beating heart of the industry. From the hum of machinery to the flurry of workers, the mill was once a bustling hive of productivity. As a cotton mill, its walls echoed with the sounds of the Industrial Revolution, an era that shaped the world as we know it today. The cotton spun within its depths, clothed nations and fueled economies, making Northlight Brierfield more than just a mill, but a vital cog in the wheel of progress. But as with all things, change was inevitable. As the cotton industry waned, the mill found a new purpose in the hands of Smith and Nephews, a renowned name in fabric manufacturing. Under their stewardship, the mill continued its legacy of industry and innovation, adapting to the changing tides of time and technology. Yet, the passage of time brought with it challenges. Periods of dereliction cast a shadow over the mill, its once vibrant halls falling silent. The looming specter of arson attacks added a layer of uncertainty, a fear that this historical icon could be reduced to ashes in an instant. But through it all, Northlight Brierfield Mill stood firm, a symbol of resilience. It weathered these storms, enduring the test of time to stand tall in the face of adversity. With the support of Pendle Council and a coalition of public and private funds, the mill embarked on a new chapter in its history, a chapter marked by regeneration and renewal. A symbol of resilience, the Northlight Brierfield Mill has weathered many storms, standing tall to tell its story. In 2016, a new chapter began for the Northlight Brierfield Mill, a chapter of transformation and regeneration. The mill, a majestic symbol of the Industrial Revolution, had its fair share of tumultuous times. But the winds of change began to blow in 2016, and with it, the seeds of a new era were sown. The stage was set for one of the most ambitious regeneration projects in recent history, a project that would see the mill rise from the ashes of dereliction and fear of arson attacks to stand tall once more. Pendle Council, in a bold and visionary move, decided to enter into a joint venture with public and private funds. This was not just about bricks and mortar. It was about preserving a piece of history, about breathing new life into the old cotton mill that had once been the heart and soul of the local community. It was about rekindling the spirit of the mill, and with it, the spirit of Brierfield itself. The transformation process was planned meticulously. Different buildings within the mill were earmarked for renovation, each with its own unique story to tell, each a piece of the puzzle that was the Northlight Brierfield Mill. The project was not without its challenges, but the team was undeterred. Each hurdle was seen not as an obstacle, but as an opportunity to learn, to adapt, and to innovate. And so, the work began. Builders, architects, historians, and local residents all came together, united by a shared vision. They worked tirelessly, pouring their heart and soul into the project. The air was filled with a sense of anticipation, of hope, and of a shared dream. A dream of seeing the old cotton mill, a symbol of the town's rich history, restored to its former glory. As the years rolled on, the transformation of the Northlight Brierfield Mill began to take shape. With each passing day, the mill shed a layer of its past, revealing a new layer of its future. This marked the beginning of an ambitious journey, a journey to breathe new life into the Northlight Brierfield Mill. With a vision and a hefty budget of £32 million, the transformation of the Northlight Brierfield Mill was set into motion. The process was not an easy one. This grand edifice, once a symbol of the Industrial Revolution, had seen better days. Its once vibrant halls, filled with the sound of looms and the chatter of workers, were now silent and derelict, bearing the scars of time and neglect. The first challenge was to breathe life back into the tired structure. Its skeleton, though strong, needed fortification. With the help of skilled architects and builders, the mill was carefully reinforced, ensuring it would stand tall for many more years to come. Next came the task of modernizing the interior while preserving the mill's historical integrity. This was no small feat. The team had to balance the need for modern amenities with the desire to retain the mill's unique character. This was achieved by retaining original features, such as the exposed brick walls and high ceilings, while incorporating sleek contemporary designs. But the transformation was not just about bricks and mortar, it was about rejuvenating the community around it. The mill, once a hub of activity, had become a symbol of decline. The team knew that to truly bring the mill back to life, they needed to restore its place in the heart of the community. Thus, the redevelopment was designed to provide a range of facilities for the locals, including a college, offices, and even leisure facilities. The journey was not without its hurdles. There were periods of uncertainty, challenges with securing funding, and even fears of arson attacks. But the team faced these obstacles head-on, driven by their unwavering belief in the project. The transformation process was a labor of love, a testament to the power of vision, perseverance, and collaboration. It was a journey that saw a once derelict mill rise from the ashes to become a beacon of regeneration. As the years went by, the mill began to shed its former skin, revealing a new and improved version of itself. 8 years later, the Northlight Brierfield Mill stands not just as a monument of the past, but as a symbol of successful regeneration. This Grade II listed cotton mill, a titan of industry dating back to 1832, had seen periods of dereliction and distress. But today, thanks to a £32 million joint venture, it's become a beacon of revival, a testament to the resilience and tenacity of this community. This successful regeneration didn't just happen overnight. It's the result of hard work, dedication, and a firm belief in the value of preserving our history. The mill now serves as a thriving hub of activity, a place where the past and the future coexist harmoniously. The Northlight Brierfield Mill is more than just a building. It's a story of transformation, a story of how a community can breathe new life into its historical treasures. The Northlight Brierfield Mill, a testament to the past and a beacon for the future, stands as a shining example of how we can preserve our history while still moving forward.